On November 6, 2019, Clinton James Dunstan stood before the court and pleaded no contest to a negotiated charge of cocaine trafficking, this time for distributing over 200 grams but less than 400 grams. The sentence was swift and unforgiving, a mandatory 7-year term in the Florida Department of Corrections, along with nearly $1,000 in fines, payable in small increments upon his eventual release.
I'm Officer Patino with the Orlando Police Department. There is some, you have your driver's license with you?
Yeah, I was
cool. No. Oh. Are you the owner of the vehicle?
No, sir.
Who's the owner of the vehicle?
Okay.
Do you have any weapons in the vehicle I should know about? You got any weapons in the vehicle I should know about? No. Okay. You mind lowering the window for him, too?
Sure, let me call you right back.
All right. You have the registration insurance with you?
Yes.
Hey, what are you doing?
I got it.
Oh, okay.
I call him.
Hey. I just got stopped in your car. The police said the registration of something is bad. Huh? The registration of something is bad, he said.
My registration is bad?
That's what he said?
Yeah, this is old anyway. This one expired in 2018.
He said your registration expired in 2018.
This one does. One of the tags different.
Oh. Hello?
D-Delta.
He said your registration expired in 2018.
Yeah, there's the right one. That's the good one right there. But no, the reason we're stopping is because when we run the tag, you take this one back. The registrar comes back to having many suspension on our license.
Oh, he said you got many suspension on your license.
I got many suspensions on my license.
That's what he said.
Probably about 7, right?
He said about 7.
7?
That's what he said. I'm sitting right here with him.
I hear him.
Yeah. I ain't even made it home from work yet. I just got stopped.
Oh, wow. I have to take care of that in the morning. You won't get a ticket.
I hope not. I guess, my license is my way of living. I got a CDL.
I know. Did he say you were going to take it?
I don't know. I'm sitting right
You're not going to get a ticket because your license not, unless it's suspended. Is your license suspended too?
Heck no, I live off my license. I got a CDL.
That's all good, so I'm just checking. So you're not going to get a ticket on that.
Oh, okay.
Just checking you have a good driver's license.
Yes, sir. I got a good
And we'll go from there.
Yeah, I'm telling you. I'm right here about it.
My registration is not good since 2018?
No, registration's good.
Oh, he said your registration good.
The first one you had me was expired.
The first one I gave him was expired.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm just coming in when I go out now. I'm just on my way in. And I got stopped. I'm trying to figure out what in the world I did. Hey, let me call you right back. Let me call my probation officer, let him know I got stopped.
Okay.
So you don't gotta let them know. It's not like it doesn't matter right now.
Oh, okay.
All right,
So,
yeah.
I'm just trying to get on for work, sir.
No, you're good. All right, good. So I'm gonna be honest with you. All right.
Yes, sir.
You should be honest with me. All right. I smell the odor of marijuana coming from within the vehicle. All right. So let me finish though.
Okay.
All right. Is there anything in the vehicle you should know about?
No, my brother smokes, and I was just around him.
All right. Cool. So you mind stepping out for me?
Yeah, let me call my
No,
probation
just step.
officer.
You don't have to right now. It's all good. Just step out for me.
I really don't want to step out, man, because then that means I'm.
No, that means I'm going to search you. No. Stop.
Okay.
Right now you're going to listen.
All right.
All right. Step on out.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Let me see that hand. Spread your stance out. Keep anything sharp in your pockets, any weapons. You're going to find them.
Okay. I don't smoke, man.
Just warn me.
Okay.
I'm asking if you have weapons.
No, I don't have any weapons.
Go to the July 5-1. What are you on probation for?
I'm on federal probation, man.
For what?
Drug conspiracy.
Okay. What are you doing now? Where are you working?
I work with Florida Site Services. I'm just coming from work. I'm on the guard.
Have a seat on that black bumper.
You want to check it? That's fine. Sergeant. Oh, your license is good at least. So we're good on that.
But if I get pulled over, man, that's an automatic.
No, but why? Automatic what?
I'm getting pulled over.
You're right, but you're not doing anything wrong, right?
No.
All right, so you're good.
I wonder why I'm getting pulled over.
Well, we told you the reason why we're pulling you over, because the owner of the vehicle doesn't have a valid driver's license, right? And then, all right, one time.
My brother smoked, man. I
Okay, I got
just
you.
live
Cool.
smoke,
That's
man.
fine. So, like I'm saying, so you should be good, right?
Yeah.
All right, so relax.
Yeah, man.
Relax. So, same thing. While talking to you, that's when the whole odor marijuana came out. I'm like, all right, just gotta make sure you have a good driver's license. Go on your way, but now I gotta verify. Okay, so perfect.
My brother smoked, man, and I just
Smoke
him around.
Gotcha. So what do you work at?
For the site services.
Okay. You drive the trucks?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You just got off of work?
Huh?
You just got off of work?
Just got off, man.
And who's the owner? You said your sister or wife? Or
Yeah, I just called. That was who I was talking to.
wife, sister?
No, girlfriend.
Girlfriend. Okay, cool. Gotcha. Just make sure that they're not to drive, guys. Her license expired.
Yeah. She know now.
Yep.
She got me get caught up in the cost of this crap.
Gotcha. Well, like I said, look, you're not in any trouble right now. As of right now,
But
there's
my
nothing.
probation officer know I got stopped, man. I still got to call in. I'm gonna have to go in.
Why? I want to know this. Why? You didn't do anything wrong. So why?
But anytime
I'm not
you
taking
get
you to jail,
pulled-
right?
Yeah, anytime you get pulled over,
Uh-huh.
it's still a probable cause.
Well, that's for what? Just so you know, a traffic infraction, it has nothing to do criminally. It's not a criminal infraction. Criminal will be if there's drugs, if there's something else, it's criminal, correct? A traffic infraction, it's not criminal. It's just a ticket, let's say. And you're not going to get a ticket, I'm telling you.
As long as I don't get no ticket.
You're not going to get a ticket, I'm telling you. I already told you like 2 times. You're not, you're good on that. I'm saying. Just got to verify, make sure it's good. The cars, there's no drugs, and then you're good.
Thank you.
Yeah. And this is your current address too?
Yeah.
In Winter Springs?
Yeah.
Okay. How long you been working here?
For 2 years.
2 years?
Yes, sir.
Why were you nervous when we pulled you over?
I wasn't nervous. I wasn't
You were
like
shaking, man.
Listen, I don't do nothing, man. I ain't planning on getting pulled. I'm just coming home from work.
Yeah.
And I know I wasn't speeding. So
Yeah, you
like,
weren't.
why am I being pulled? What's the probable cause?
You weren't.
You know what I mean? I'm just wondering why you pulling me over.
I guess.
That's all I'm wondering. There ain't no big deal, but I'm just saying. I'm just telling you, if I get pulled over, I gotta go call my probation officer. Tomorrow they're gonna make me come in.
That's good.
It's
I'll
federal
bet-
probation. It's not.
Okay, I'll verify that for you, but
Probation.
I'm sure you'll be fine. It's not, you didn't do anything bad. It's not criminal. So I'm trying to explain to you. It's just like if you were speeding. So if you were speeding, you have to call your probation officer too for speeding, even though it's just a criminal. It's not criminal. It's
I
just
don't know. I ain't never had
traffic. Yeah, so I'm sure it's criminal stuff. Yeah, it's like you say if some type of crime was committed, correct. This is not a crime. It's an infraction.
I'm cool, man.
So just relax. You're good, man.
I'm cool. But I'm telling you, my brother smoked. I just come from around my brother. He smoked.
Okay.
That's the problem.
Gotcha. Just make sure, I don't know if she smokes too or he, but just so you know, every time every time you get back in that car and somebody pulls you over for whatever reason it is, you're gonna do the same thing we're doing right now. It's because that strong,
It's not my car.
you know, that odor's coming out.
I have a truck.
Gotcha. So what I would do is either spray a lot, air it out, or let them know, hey, you know what, we can't be smoking.
Well, she just gave it to me, so
Okay.
I just swapped out with her and I'm headed on in.
Gotcha.
If you fight, I'm gonna beat the shit out of you. Turn around.
Come here, brother.
Have a seat. You want to talk about what's in the car?
Sir, I just swapped cars. I'm on my way to that. That is not my car. I have a black Ford truck. I just swapped the car, and I just.
You got anything else on you?
No.
Come back here. Go look at that backpack. Go look at that backpack.
Ooh, Jesus. Jesus.
4 kilos.
I wonder he's so nervous. I'm literally telling him why he's so nervous.
Dude. Bravo 52. Good. Actually, Bravo 52 to Bravo 50. Bravo 52 to Bravo 50. Sarge. Bravo 50. Double.
Started car north.
52 to 50. Can you be 51 to my traffic stop, sir?
Patrol north. Emergency West for Golf 10 at 3137 Fitzgerald. Signal 13 to the Emergency West. Of course, any else you just have to send in a bus.
Purple and blue.
926, he said, stand by for Foxtrot 1724.
What is the Charlie 19?
10-4.
1093.
1054.
Bravo 52, can I get Johnson's flatbed, please?
10-4.
Charlie 19.
60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 24, 400, 46, 60,
Going on bail.
47, 20, 40, 60, 88, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 10, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 1,400.
But for Dunstan, this was far from unfamiliar territory. His criminal record tells a story of repetition, one that spans decades. From a 1996 cocaine trafficking conviction to a 2008 drug conspiracy charge, followed by a 2012 conviction for trafficking, fleeing, and driving with a suspended license, the cycle remained unbroken. Now, with yet another conviction added to his name, one question lingers: will this time be any different?